How do you take a boring area and transform it into a productive workspace or desk setup? My name is Spencer Ryan, and in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that with the area behind me. Welcome to another episode of Build That Space. Before we get in, I want to give a huge thanks to the sponsor of this video, Vivo US.
Vivo is an ergonomic office furniture brand whose mission is to use innovation, creativity, and efficiency to produce a cost-effective solution that does not sacrifice quality. Vivo believes every office should promote movement into their daily work life that improves your physical health and encourages productivity. Vivo offers a large selection of standing desks that can easily adapt to any environment by focusing on simplicity, reliability, and affordability. They also provide desk accessories to help organize and make life feel less cluttered. Vivo thinks that standing desks shouldn't be an office luxury. Anyone should be able to have access to one.
Again, thank you so much, Vivo, for making this possible and hooking us up with this sit-stand desk. Without any further delay, let's go ahead and jump in and get started on this transformation.
When I set out to design this space, I wanted something that was beautiful, elegant, but also minimal and optimized for maximum productivity. When choosing the desk, I wanted something that was spacious enough for a laptop and monitor and represented that bright, minimal environment feel. So I went with the 60 by 24 inch sit-stand desk from Vivo in the light wood color and white frame to give it that elegant wooden and bright finish. Bright wood patterns always mix well with white room environments. As someone with chronic lower back pain, I prefer sit-stand desks over regular desks and believe that they offer tremendous benefits on our health and posture. A common misconception is that standing all the time is better than sitting, and that's not necessarily true either. Having a healthy mix between sitting and standing is the best way to go, and fortunately this desk includes a timer that you can set to remind you when it's time to stand. Because space saving is so crucial for productivity, I opted in to add the single monitor desk mount from Vivo to avoid taking up too much space with a monitor stand. For the monitor, I went with the LG 29-inch ultra-wide Full HD monitor. While this monitor doesn't have a ton of pixel density, it was intended to be used side by side with a MacBook, thus offering an expansive canvas for working in applications like Photoshop, Premiere, and much more. To set the MacBook on, I added the black laptop desk stand from Vivo. I really like the look of this laptop stand. It's very modern and futuristic, but it doesn't take away from the setup or distract from work. It raises the laptop about 4 to 6 inches off the desk to allow for good viewing angles. To protect the desktop from scratches from sliding the keyboard or mouse, I used the minimalistic felt mouse pad from Delta Hub. It's a beautiful mouse pad and offers plenty of protection. I'm a huge fan of mechanical keyboards, but for this setup, it made more sense to go with something a little lower profile, so I chose the MX keys from Logitech. It's a beautiful keyboard with great feeling keys and offers a simplistic yet elegant design. Paired with the MX keys is the Logitech MX Master 2S. I have one of these at home and it is my favorite mouse for the price. A MacBook desk setup would be nothing without something to connect the monitor and some other devices to. So for input and output, I chose the A-Logic Gen 2 USB-C Nano dock. This thing packs an HDMI port, SD and micro SD card slots, 2 USB-C ports, one of which offers 100-watt power delivery, and 2 USB-A ports. Finally, to tie the entire look together and give it that bright, airy feel, I added 2 24 by 36 frames from Michaels above the desk. The downside is the posters I wanted didn't arrive in time for filming, so unfortunately they were blank at the time of this shooting. For additional aesthetic and to bring it all together, I added a faux plant in the corner and a faux vine running down the side of the setup. Overall, I'm really happy with the way this entire setup came together. It accomplishes exactly what I set out to build, a beautiful, elegant desk setup optimized for maximum productivity. I couldn't have done it without the help of Vivo, and if you're interested in anything seen in this video, the links will be in the description below.
There you have it, guys. We have transformed this space into something that I consider very beautiful, very elegant, and great for productivity, which was our original goal. Again, I wanna give a huge shout out to Vivo for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, Vivo, for hooking me up with this desk and helping put all of this together, because the reality is, without the desk, without the laptop stand, without the monitor arm, this setup wouldn't be what it is. I hope you were able to gain some insight into how I plan out spaces, how I build them, what the intentionality is behind it, and I hope that you can take some inspiration away for your own setup when the time comes. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, press the like button. Let me know in the comments below that you'd like to see more like this. Let me know what your favorite part about this whole transformation was. Make sure you press subscribe so that I can make more videos like this. I need your help. Smash the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at @TheSpencerRyan, where I post a plethora of desk setup, tech content, all kinds of stuff. And as always, I'll see you on the next video.